Hello students, in this class we are going to discuss minors and cofactors of elements of a square matrix or a determinant. This is a concept important, so you have to understand this is the basic concept for the next chapter also. So maximum matrices depends on determinants also, depends on minors and cofactors. So you remember maximum determinants only we have to take minors to cofactors. Minor of an element. Suppose Aij is an element of a square matrix, or a determinant. Minor of an element Aij is the determinant. It is a one determinant obtained by deleting corresponding row and corresponding column. Both we have to delete so that we are using word end of the element for the corresponding row, corresponding column. One simple example I am taking. Find the minors and cofactors of all the elements of one square matrix A11, A12, A21, A22. Generally, minor of one element means Mij. Aij minor means Mij. A11 minor is M11. See here. First, we are calculating minor of A11. Nothing but M11. Nothing but it is a determinant obtained by deleting corresponding row, corresponding column. First row, first column we have to delete. First row, first column we have to delete. What is the remaining element? That is A22, nothing but A22 only. Then minor of A12, that is denoted by M12. It is a determinant obtained by deleting first row, second column. First row, this is second column. What you left? That is A21, nothing but A21. Then minor of A21. A21, nothing but it is denoted by second row, first column. This is second row. This is first column. A12, determinant of A12, determinant of single element means nothing but that element only we have to write. Then minor of A22, nothing but M22. M22 means this is second row, second column we have to delete. Then what you left? That is A11, nothing but A12. Like this we have to calculate minors. Then cofactors. Cofactor of an element Aij denoted by capital Aij. How we are defining Aij equal to minus 1 whole power of I plus j into Mij. See here. Minus two cofactors differ by minus 1 whole power I plus j. See here. What is A11 means? Cofactor of A11. Small letter A11. What is the definition? Minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 into M11. Minus 1 whole square means 1 only. That is nothing but M11. What is M11? Already we got. That is A22. Next, cofactor of A12, nothing but minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2 into corresponding minor means m12. Minus 1 whole cube means minus m12. What is m12 here? A21. A21. Next, A21, that is minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1, that is A21. This is minus 1 whole cube means minus m21. What is m21? That is A21. Finally, what is the cofactor of the element? Second row, second column. So second row, second column means minus 1 whole power 2 plus 2, that is 1 only. M22 nothing but A11. See, minus cofactors differ by only sign. What is the sign also? This suffix 1 plus 1 even number means same, minor cofactor value same. This 1 plus 2, this suffix sum is odd number means this is plus means this is minus. This is minus means that will be plus. So this is only minus cofactors. How to calculate means like this. 3 by 3 matrix determinant also same, we have to like this only we have to calculate. One example I will take. Find the minus and cofactors minus and cofactors of all the elements of the determinant 1 minus 2 4 3, 1 minus 2 4 3. Say here, minus means MIG, cofactor means capital AIG. So direct values I will write answers here. You have to understand. So first minus. Here cofactors. See. Minus means first row, first element, M11. We have to delete first row, first column. See, first row, first column. First row, first column we have to delete means 3. M11 value 3. A11. What is the definition? Minus 1 whole power of 1 plus 1 into M11. 1 plus 1 2, minus 1 whole square means plus. Again M11. What is M11 means 3. Next, M12. First row, second column. First row, second column you close. That is 4. Then what is A12? Minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2. Minus 1 whole cube means minus into M12. What is M12 means 4. Next, M21. Second row, first column. Second row, first column. Minus 2. This is minus 2. Then A21. Minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1 into M2. Minus 1 whole cube means minus. What is M21? Minus 2. So this becomes plus 2. This is plus 2. Next, minor of second row, second element, second row, second column element, second row, see, second row, second column element, that is 1. Then what is cofactor of second row, second column element? Minus 1 whole power 2 plus 2, that is m22. Anyhow, this is 1, m22 means 1. So, these are the cofactors, these are the minors. So, minors cofactors are a determinant. Actually, for matrices we have to calculate, but in NCERT they given determinants. So, minors and cofactors of all the elements of this determinant, nothing but like this we have to calculate. Now, I will take one 3 by 3 square matrix. 2 by 2, I will give some examples, some practice questions. You have to practice them. Not all. These are the homework. First one, this is 2 minus 4, 0, 3. Second one, A, C, B, D. So these are the minors of cofactors. You try yourselves. Then I will give one 3 by 3 square matrix determinant. Find minors and cofactors of the elements of minors and cofactors of the elements of the determinant 2, minus 3, 5, 6, 0, 4, 1, 5, minus 7. See that? 2 minus 3, 5. 6, 0, 4, 1, 5, minus 7, and verify that A11 A31 plus A12 A32 A13 A33 must be equal to 0. We have to prove. See here. First we have to calculate minus cofactors of the determinant. All these elements. First, M11. First row, first column you close. First row, first column. Determinant of 0, 4, 5, minus 7. How much it is? 0, minus 20. Nothing but minus 20. M12. First row, second column. Direct steps I will write. So first row, second column. See here students. M12. Direct values how to write. 1 means first row we have to close. Second column we have to close. See. First row, second column we have to close. Then what will left? This is minus 42, minus 4. First row, second column, minus 6 into minus 7, minus 42, minus 1 into 4, that is minus 46. Next, M21, M21, second row, M13 I have to take. M13 means first row, third column. See, first row, third column we have to close. Then what we left? 6 into 5, 30, minus 0, nothing but 30. Next, M21, second row, first column. This is second row, first column. Second row means C, minus 3 into minus 7 plus 22, 21, minus 5 into 5 means that is 25, nothing but minus 4. M22, M22. So M22 means second row, second column. See, second row, second column I have to close. 2 into minus 7, 2 into minus 7, minus 14, minus second row, second column, 1 into 5, that is 5, minus 19. Next, M23. M23 means, see, what we have to calculate? M23, second row, third column. Second row, third column we have to close. Second row means 2 into 5, 10. 2 into 5, 10. Minus 1 into minus 3 already minus is there. This is plus 13. Next, M31. M31. Third row, first column. Third row, first column I have to close. Minus 12, minus 0. Minus 12, minus 0. Nothing but minus 12. Next, M32. M32. Third row, second column. Third row, second column. 2 into 4, 8, minus 6 into 5, 30, minus 20, minus 22. M33. M33. Third row, third column. Third row, third column we have to delete 0. Minus 6 into minus 3, minus 18. Already minus is there. So this is plus 18. So nothing but answer is 18. Next, cofactors. What are the cofactors means? See, up to here minus sign. Cofactors means A11. 1 plus 1, 2. Even means 1. This suffix sum means even means plus sign will come. What is the definition? Minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 into M11. Anyhow, this is positive. So M11. What is M11 value? Minus 20. Next, A12. 1 plus 2 odd number. Odd number means minus M12. Instead of writing minus 1 whole power of 1 plus 2, directly minus also you can take. Listen. This sum is odd number means minus, even number means plus. 1 plus 2 odd number, minus M12. What is M12? That is 46. Already minus is there. So this is plus 46. M13. So now we have to calculate A13. You tell me 1 plus 3, 4 plus. That is corresponding minor M13. What is M13 value? This is nothing but 30. Next, A21. 2 plus 1 how much? 3. Odd number. Odd number means minus. That is M21. M21 means, what is M21? Minus 4. Already minus is there. So this will be plus 4. Next, A22. Cofactor of second row, second column. 2 plus 2, 4. Even number. Plus. That is M22. M22 means minus 19. Next, A22, A23. A23. 2 plus 3, 5. Odd number. Minus. That is M23. What is M23? 13. So this is minus 13. Then A31. 3 plus 1, 4. Even number. Means plus. That is M31. What is M31? M31. That is minus 12. So this will be minus 12. Then A32. Nothing but C. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 means minus. That is M32. What is M32? Minus 22. Already minus is there. Plus 22. Then A33. 3 plus 3, 6. Even number. So this is plus m33 nothing but 18. So like this we have to calculate minus one side cofactors. Because of board not sufficient means I written like this. In your examination or even your notebook, one side minus another side cofactors completely one page will come. You have to write clearly like this. Then second part, this we have to verify whether it is equal to 0 or not. See, just only this one I am taking here. A11. What is A11? Means first row, first column element means 2. A11 value 2. A31. What is A31 value? Minus 12. Minus 12. Plus A12. What is A12 means first row, second column. That is minus 3. Minus 3 into A32. A32 means how much? 22. This is 22. A13 means 5. A33 means 18. How much it is? Minus 24 minus 66 plus 90. So this is 80, 90. Minus 90 plus 90 will be 0. So like this we have to verify this concept. So actually one result is there. I will tell that result. So first of all, you should understand how to write minus cofactors. So once again you have to practice 1 or 2 times, then only you will get clear picture. So minus means corresponding row, corresponding column we have to delete, remaining determinant value we have to calculate. Cofactors means minus cofactors different means. See, minor 1 means first row, first column we have to delete, remaining determinant we have to write. Similarly, cofactor of first row, first column element means what is the extra means minus 1 whole power of I plus j into corresponding minor. So minor cofactor difference means plus to minus only. When it will be plus means this suffix is even number means this value plus. This suffix odd number means it will be minus m11 like that it will come. So that point we have to remember. Now, 2 note points you have to understand. 2 note points. Minus cofactors. First I will write. Note number 1. The sum product of elements are any row or any column, any row or any column with the corresponding cofactors are same row or same column is the determinant see here, the sum of the product of any row or any column, the sum of the product of any elements of any row or any column with the corresponding cofactors of same row or same column is of the elements is the determinant Sum of the product of elements of any row or any column with the corresponding cofactors of same row or same column of the determinant is the value of the determinant. The value see here. Suppose one matrix I am taking. Just you observe. This is most important result. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Suppose you choose first row. First row. What is first row? A11, A12, A13. Corresponding cofactors. A11 cofactor means capital A11. A12 corresponding cofactor means A12. Then A13 corresponding cofactor means that is always a determinant of the square matrix. Sum of the product of elements of any row or any column of a square matrix. Of a square matrix you take. With the corresponding cofactors of same row or same column is the determinant. You delete now this point. Is the value of the determinant of the matrix. Determinant of the matrix. So this is most important. See here. Sum of the product of elements of any row or any column. Any column. Suppose second column if I take. Second column. See. A12 capital A12 plus A22 capital A22. A23 capital A23. That is determinant of A. Third row you take. What is third row? A31 capital A31. A32 capital A32. A33 capital A33 is always determinant of the square matrix. Now, one more result. The sum of the product of elements of any row or any column of a square matrix with the corresponding cofactors of other row or other column. Other row or other column is 0. A is always 0. See here, this one. Now, what is this concept you observe? This this is note number 2. What is this note number? The sum of the product of elements of any row or any column. You choose any row. Suppose first row I am choosing. See, A11 with the corresponding cofactors of other row. Previous result is same row or same column. Now other row, other column. See, A11 means suppose this is first row we are taking elements. Third row cofactors I will take. See, A11 capital A31. A12 corresponding third row cofactor A32. First row element A13 corresponding third row cofactors, that is A33, always 0. Same result. A11, A31, you remember, blindly remember one point. These two suffixes are same. See, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, determinant of the matrix. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, determinant of the matrix. These two suffixes are not same. 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 3, 3, always 0. So, The sum of the product of elements of any row or any column with the same row, same factor, cofactors means that is determinant. Other row or other column means that is the zero, always zero. Suppose one row elements means same row cofactors if you take determinant. Suppose one row elements you are taking, other row cofactors if you are taking is zero. Suppose one more third column I will take. What is third column? A13. First column cofactors. See, elements third row, cofactors first. Sorry, elements third column, cofactors first column. What are the first column cofactors? A1. Here what is the second element? A23. Here corresponding cofactors A2. Here what is the corresponding element? A3. What is the corresponding element? A31. This is always 0. See, elements of first column, corresponding cofactors of elements of third column with the corresponding cofactors of first column. Suppose same column, same cofactors if you take means determinant. Elements one column, cofactors other column. So here is always 0. So these are the 2 points you have to remember, most important results. So based on that result only we can do this is 0. So that point you have to write. Next. I will give some questions. You have to practice minors and cofactors. Minors and cofactors. Find. These are the homework columns. Minors and cofactors are the elements of the determinants 1 0 0 0 1 0. You calculate this one. Second one, this is 1 0 4 3 5 minus 1 0 1 minus 2. You have to calculate these 2 columns. This is homework for you. Then last one problem I have to tell. Using cofactors are the elements are using cofactors of elements of second row evaluate, the determinant of 538201 538201 1 2 3 1 2 3. So indirectly we have to expand the determinant along the second row. Just now I told second row, what is the determinant of A along second row means this is second row only, no? See, A21 capital A21, A22 capital A22, A23 capital A23. Determinant of A nothing but sum of the product of elements of second row with the same row cofactors. Same row cofactors. So indirectly we have to calculate like this. So I told actually definition of determinant like this only we have to calculate sum of the product of elements of a row or a column of a square matrix with the corresponding cofactors of same row, same column. Now we are choosing second row with the corresponding cofactors of second row. Second row cofactors A21, A22, A23. So indirectly, what we have to calculate? That value C. That determinant, let delta equal to C 5, 3, 8, 2, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. Now this determinant how to expanding along second row. Expanding along second row. You type. Expanding second row means A11, A21. Sorry, A21, capital A21. Next, A22, capital A23, capital A23. You tell me, what is A21 means? 2. Capital A21 means 2 plus 1. This is odd number. Odd number means minus. You delete second row, second row, first column. Second row, first column. Remaining elements determinant. So, if you want, this is 2 into minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1 into the determinant of second row, first column you have to delete. A21 means second row, first column you have to delete. So that is 3A, 2, 3 plus A22. A22 means 0. Minus 1 whole power 2 plus 2. Now second row, second column you delete. Determinant of 5, 8, 1, 3 plus A23. A23 means 1 into A23 means minus 1 whole power 2 plus 3. Second row, third column you delete. That is the determinant of 5, 3, 1, 2. Now, we have to simplify these values. 2 into, see here, 2 into, this is minus 1 whole cube means minus 2. This is minus 2. You expand this determinant. This is 9 minus 16. Next. Anyhow, this is 0. Plus, this is minus 1 whole power of 5 means minus. This is 10 minus 3. How much it is? Minus 2 into minus 7. 10 minus 3 means minus 7. So, this is 14. Minus 7 nothing but 7. So, value of this determinant is also 7. If you want to expand along second row, third row, fourth row or first column, second column, third column, you will get determinant of this determinant always 7. So, if you expand along second row or along third row, what you will get? Always determinant of A, that is 7 only will come. Not only this one, I will give one more. Suppose if you expand along first column, what is first column? A11, its corresponding cofactor. Second element, A21, its corresponding cofactor. A31, A31 corresponding cofactor. It is always a determinant of that value will come, that is 7. If you calculate this one also same. This is called expansion of the determinant using cofactors of first column. So this is the expansion of the determinant by using cofactors of first column. So cofactors of first column means indirectly you expand the determinant along first column. You expand along the third column. You expand along the fourth column, means the second column like that. So using cofactors means indirectly you have to expand. Third row means according to third row you have to expand. Using cofactors of second row means along second row you have to expand. That is the internally meaning. So you have to answer like this the questions. Okay. See here, students. Using cofactors of elements of third column indirectly they given means we have to expand the determinant along the third column. So just you observe 1 x y z 1 y z x 1 z x y. Along third column means what I have to write? A13, capital A13 plus A23, capital A23 plus A33, capital A33. So this is the determinant of this determinant along first column. You see. Sorry, third column means this is A13, A23, A33 with the corresponding cofactors. A13 means YZ. A13, what is capital Aij definition? -1 whole power I plus j into corresponding cofactors, corresponding minor. -1 whole power 1 plus 3 by means remaining determinant obtained by deleting first row third column, nothing but this determinant. What is the determinant? 1y1 z plus a23 means zx into -1 second row second column, that is 2 second row third column obtained by deleting second row third column means 1x 1z 1x 1z plus xy -1 whole power 3 plus 3 determinant of third column third row delete 1x 1y. You see, whole power 4 means this is positive, this is y z into z minus y. 2 plus 3 means 5, this is minus zx, z minus x plus xy, this is y minus x. You observe. Actually, you can stop here only, but they are asking answer y x minus y, y minus z, z minus x like that. How to prove? You observe. Just we are multiplying. This is y z square minus y square z minus z square x plus z x square plus xy into this is as this I am writing xy minus x. You observe. From these two, can I take z square common? What will get? Y minus x. That purpose only y minus x as this I written there. Next, from these two you observe. Minus z if I take common, y square minus x square plus xy into y minus x. Now, from the whole terms, just I will write here. This is also not necessary. See, from the whole terms, can I take y minus x common? Y minus x common means what you left here? Z square. Here minus z into y plus x. Here plus x1. Okay. Again from this y minus x into this is z square minus zy minus zx plus x1. See, from these two, z if I take common, y minus x into z if I take common, z minus x. From these two, minus y if I take common, z minus x. Again, y minus x. Again, z minus x you take common, z minus x. Z minus y will be there. Here minus common, x minus y, y minus, here minus common, here minus common. Minus into minus plus. So x minus y. Minus common means y minus z. This is same as this z minus x. This is the result. So finally, if we expand the determinant along the third column means what is the value of the determinant? Nothing but x minus y into y minus z into z minus x. So like that we have to do. So these are the problems based on minus and cofactors. Okay, thank you.